So let's talk about how I ended up starting with my online business, starting with digital marketing. So almost 2 years ago, I was a normal stay-at-home mom, living paycheck to paycheck. But the thing is this, to be honest, you are getting so used to the struggles. You're getting so used to stretching that one income. You literally not feeling the same to take a phone out in a shop and start calculating your stuff, because there's another mommy, there's another dad, there's another person inside the shop doing the same. So everything just become normal. But that one time my boy asked me why is daddy always at work. That hit me hard. So just imagine you sitting with a husband who's already at work most of the time, missing out on moments. How on earth can you as the mother do the same? So I didn't want to give up my stay-at-home mommy lifestyle until I was at the point to give it up, because I couldn't handle it anymore. Although it become a norm, you just, it's like enough is enough. But then I come across digital marketing, something where you literally can do from home. You do it from your phone. You don't need qualifications. You don't need tech skills. You just need a blueprint to follow. Like, come on. If you want to know more, comment ready, or just go to my bio, click the link, and all the info is there.